USA and all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I will continue with the part C of the civil justice sign off process, ongoing process. Please provide my live testimony on the televisions worldwide, because entire human kingdom can be saved with one single act of kindness. Okay, and yes, it is the darkest day for United States of America, and President Joe Biden is at fault, found guilty in all counts of crime of Vatican, and is the crime is deadliest classified as domestic violence, because President Joe Biden provided breach of duty by fatal negligence, never fixed the broken family law justice services. It's the deadliest crime when being a lawyer. Then President Joe Biden is domestic violent because he provided causation and injury to the innocent diverse populations worldwide, which with wrongful injustice mandated forever for past 500 years, and divorce law and the family law and child custody law and everything was wrong, is wrong, absolutely wrong, and that is a $500,000 trillion scandal. And President Joe Biden must take all the responsibility and accountability, and should pay $500,000 trillion to each divorce population civilian worldwide. Okay, for Pope Francis created divorce, which directly damages the human brain nerve cells and also creates lifetime scars left out to be mocked and bullied by the educated population. So for all these things, if the medical compensation of $500,000 trillion is provided by President Joe Biden to entire divorce population worldwide for Pope Francis created divorce domestic violence, that is the civil justice served for entire human kingdom, right? The president and a lawyer cannot provide breach of duty or causation and injury to any of the civilians. Then President Joe Biden is classified at fault, found guilty, and domestic violence classified as battery, classified as assault, classified as false imprisonment, classified as trespass to land, classified as trespass to chattels, and intentional infliction of emotional distress. All these comes under the classification of domestic violence, because when the injustice is provided to the innocent civilians in the divorced world population, the brain nerve cells are get destroyed, or pain and agony is inflicted in an exponential way. It is a classification of crucifixion. So for the past 500 years, United States of America have been crucifying the innocent population in the divorce process with a wrongful, meaning entire each and every single software line of code in Department of Justice Services and Department of Children and Family Services and Department of Tax Services and Department of Health and Services. Everything is wrong. And President Joe Biden is classified as domestic violence because he never bothered to fix those errors when being a lawyer, right? He never bothered to fix a broken family law services, because everything is a scandal there. Everything is a tax mandate scandal. Even ex parte is a scandal, pro se is a scandal. And then President Joe Biden must also pay tax-free $100,000 trillion, or I will say $100,000. I will reduce the money, okay? $100,000 to each divorced single moms who were representing themselves as their civil lawyers as a pro se, right? Because that is another deadliest crime lawyer President Joe Biden provided. What is it? What is it error? President Joe Biden, being a lawyer, never educated Department of Workforce and Department of Labor should provide a job code for a pro se civil lawyer, for a civil, when a civilian representing themselves, when they are financial crisis, when they are financially disabled, then when they are called, when they are addressed as a informe pauperi, meaning paupers, beggars, right? They are financially disabled, they cannot afford to have a lawyer, right? Because the law fees is costly, right? At least $300 per hour, right? And each and every single minute after that, it will increase 300, 300, 300 like that. So you all know. So President Joe Biden knows what is the salary of a lawyer, right? Because it's the highest salary and lifetime job. No unemployment, no financial disability, no, so we'll never know what is poverty. So I want, as a civil justice, because of all the scandal President Joe Biden provided, never in his entire career, among all the other living presidents, he was his entire lifetime only lawyer, and he never bothered to fix it. Right? That is fatal negligence. That is breach of duty. And that is coming under the domestic violence called battery. That is coming under the domestic violence called assault. That is coming under the domestic violence false imprisonment, meaning the innocent in this divorce population have been forever been false prosecuted. False shame has been enforced on them in the name of law. And only injustice have been signed. By whom? By commissioners, by judges, by lawyers, by criminal lawyers, by civil lawyers. When being a lawyer, why President Joe Biden never even know there should never be any criminal law? He should have banned it already, right? As of today, there should never be any criminal law. So that itself disqualifies President Joe Biden to be a president as of now. He should absolutely resign because he is identified as a deadliest domestic violence now. Endangerment to justice. He is classified as, President Joe Biden is classified as endangerment to justice services, right? And because of that, because of domestic violence classified, he should resign immediately. He cannot be president. It's as simple as that. So there are common intentional torts, that is battery. So President Joe Biden had provided battery, provided assault, provided false imprisonment, provided trespass to land, provided trespass to chattels, and provided intentional infliction of emotional stress, distress. Do you all know, whenever, always, forever, when innocent civilians only get tortured with injustice, the emotional damages done to the innocent people are highest in the whole entire earth? So why President Joe Biden never got to fix the broken family justice services? What was the reason? What is the reason? What is the gain? What is the objective? What did he gain? Civilians never did anything to President Joe Biden, so why even bother to create hell for the population? Right? So there is a humanity destroyed on the basic level. So Pope Francis, the Jesuit leader, God of USA, Queen of England, Elizabeth II, God of USA, state governors and mayors, Supreme Court judges, Supreme Circuit Court, Appeals Court judges, presidents, all the presidents, USA government agency, Senate, Republic Congress, Republic Senate, Republic House of Representatives, Republic speakers, lawmakers of USA, and each USA public sector agency and private sector agency, which resulted in an injury and damages done to innocent divorced population civilians worldwide on brain nerve cells with emotional and feelings and memory process of brain torture, damages done on emotional weight, and then emotional wastages, then feeling wastages, and then lifetime scars to the innocent absolute divorced population worldwide with or without children, to be left out, to be mocked and bullied by only educated foolish leprosy patients. Why even President Joe Biden even want to create that? He created that. That is a breach of duty when being a lawyer. Right? So he is disqualified to be president upfront. He should immediately get out of the White House now. There is no other go. He cannot give any excuses. Only when he was a nation and nations, all nations provides original Garden of Eden since day one, God of true Christianity created for all humans to live in heaven only mode, then only then, healthy, affordable, measurable, traceable family law services must be defined and then provided in healthy standards, healthy human standards, right? And only in the civil law process only that must be provided. So why there is criminal law? Why President Joe Biden, being a lawyer, never knows there should never be criminal law? That is another $500,000 trillion scandal. Can President Joe Biden provide $500,000 trillion daily to each civilian total population worldwide? Just because USA is having criminal justice services, that is a hell creating services, which is created exclusively to provide false prosecution to the innocent population. And does President Joe Biden, being a lawyer, even know what kind of an emotional torture that has been provided to the innocent population and falsely prosecuted? False shame is created. Lifetime shame is created. Lifetime scars is created. Who is going to pay for damages? Can President Joe Biden pay for the damages done? No, right? So why on the earth he never even provided the rightful process to ban the criminal justice law in the United States of America when he is a lawyer? He's saying he's a citizen of USA, right? Is he a citizen? No. He proved he's an illegal immigrant, right? When a true lawyer or when a true owner, everything that is true is always healthy. Everything that is fake is never healthy. And he is a fake, right? He is never a citizen of USA. Sorry, he is never a citizen of USA. I will only ask President Joe Biden to go out of USA because of destroyed the justice services. I can bail out Joe Biden. I can bail out President Joe Biden. I can ask President Joe Biden, it's okay, stay in the United States, free, enjoy the retirement life, just do not be president. Because he cannot lead. He is going to create more havoc to the already destroyed USA. He is not even having a little bit of shame, right? Because each and every operation is destroyed. He don't even know what is exactly the COVID-19 scandal is all about. At least President Trump is already aware on a very highest level, right? Why President Joe Biden, being a lawyer, not even aware of it? Because he never knows anything of what is civil justice and what is not justice, and how can he even be a president? Right? I already said a little bit of action displays what a person is. He already displayed he cannot be a leader. He could have prevented that Capitol building havoc already. He never did that. That itself proved he cannot be a leader. He is going to create more and more and more of disaster. He has to resign immediately. I should only start lead USA immediately. Only when USA nation and nations provides original Garden of Eden, only then affordable healthy family law services can be provided. But is the United States of America is in a healthy environment nation? No. Nation as of today? No. Then now on the earth, the wrongful, injusticeful family law, broken family law can be provided to the innocent population, and that too the tax has been mandated, they are enforced with poverty, they become orphan, right? They become orphan, they become a refugee, they are thrown on the roads, right? Once married, once everything, all of an abruptly, the family relationship breaks, they cracks, it becomes an earthquake, it becomes a volcano mode. They are abruptly thrown on the road as an orphans. What help did government provided for the divorced population? Nothing. Does he have any shame? Does President Joe Biden have any little bit of shame? No. And I don't know how he was able to provide that sweetest talk and that whatever the show you want to provide on inauguration day. I don't know why you want to do that. I don't know how he on the earth he was able to do that. Right? So when families law is destroyed, the USA nation is in handcuff mode to be sealed down mode. I will only seal and shut down United States of America nation, and I will remove that nation tag from the USA immediately. Within 5 minutes I will remove. This is how I will provide civil justice at the cost of being hated by anybody. Americans can accuse me, curse me, or spit on my face. I will say, this is what it is. The crime is deadly. Yes, this is what it is. Live with it. Like that. You know? So, how on the earth, for all these damages, how on the earth President Joe Biden is going to provide? And he is keeping on telling he will fix, he will fix, he will fix, like any politician talk. That is not going to happen anymore. He cannot fool population anymore. He should not be living in White House right now. Got it? That is the truth. That is the truth according to the Holy Bible. So that means nobody can ask me, because I am only providing civil justice according to the guidelines of Holy Bible. Okay, only, so that means until when United States of America is in a clean, abuse-free nation mode, they cannot even provide the family services law in USA. It is wrong. Oh gosh, it is it's a trillions and trillions and trillions and trillions and trillions and zillions and zillions and zillions of dollars of scandal. How on the earth USA is going to pay back the compensation, medical compensation to the entire divorced population who have been enforced only with injustice, with the wrongful justice process? That is the deadliest crime a nation can do, can even think of in a dream can do. Right? Meaning, USA nation, government, Republican government and Democrat government cannot even dream in the sleep to think of providing the wrongful family laws, justice, broken services to the innocent population. That is wrong. And top of it, what more is the deadliest crime? They are collecting lot of tax. Oh, and then they are collecting law fees also for the divorce process. That is wrong. That is absolutely wrong. And why President Joe Biden, being a lawyer, never even knew that as a basic right? Why? What did accredited law school educated President Joe Biden? I can disqualify his education degree right now. Right? I will say just throw your law degree in the trash. When it is not provided any of the lawful services, why it is even having that value? Shut down, seal and shut down Harvard Law School, Harvard Medical School immediately, indefinitely. Let no one get educated. I think when people are not getting educated, they will be in a healthy way, I think. Because 5% of the educated population only is creating a hell and havoc and disaster for the fellow mankind. Right? So, I don't know where he is going to keep his face for more and more and more and more, and crime is going to be displayed with my civil justice sign off. Okay? Yes, it is very darkest day for United States of America. It is not a happiest day. No. A foolish nation only will think, oh, USA is a very nice position. No. USA government got crashed in pieces right now with all my justice I am providing. So, USA nation must pay $25 trillion daily to each divorced single mom's population worldwide forever for this broken family law error. And $1,000 trillion to each divorced male population regardless of having dad role or not. Why? Do you all know why? Do you all know why divorced single population, single moms alone must get all the benefits, highest level, everything double? Benefits double, free housing double, everything double, only to single moms. Why? Divorced single moms. They are the holiest people in the world, right? They are the innocent people. And then beyond that, beyond the gender level, when I'm throwing the total male population on one justice weighing scale and then throwing all the women population on the another justice weighing scale, I am providing only unbiased justice. Men are innocent, period. They are only innocent. And what are women? Women are personification of what? Definition of what? Double innocent, always, forever, regardless of whatever situation they are in double, within double quotes I'll put, women are double innocent. So that means when a wrongful injustice is provided for a family law broken services, United States of America, right, must pay $25,000 trillion to each divorced single moms as of now, starting now. Immediately they have to provide direct deposit to the banks. It is okay. I know that financial services are broken as well. Got it? Each software line of code of financial, that means bank, mortgage, housing loan services, right? Anything you name for a finance, every single thing is broken. So that means USA government cannot transfer $25 trillion direct deposit to a bank now, right? Because it will crash. The system will crash. It cannot handle that $25,000 of worth of characters in the system. They have to write another zillion lines of codes to do the validate for that. Can President Joe Biden pay damages? Okay, let's leave that bank part and find out. Can President Joe Biden pay tax-free $25 trillion, $25,000 trillion to each divorced single moms worldwide? For Pope Francis created the lifetime scars and damages to the innocent people? Is he ready to pay $25 trillion to the divorced single moms? Is President Joe Biden a lawyer? Right? He's having a fancy lawyer. He should know. He should have known always forever divorced single moms is the double innocent population in the whole entire world. Entire human kingdom, the holiest people are the divorced single moms. They are absolutely highest level of innocent. And entire divorced population are the wisest population in the earth. Do you all know that when a civilian files for divorce, he or she is creating a nation richest? I can prove everything. I have all the proof. By proof, I am going to provide. And President Joe Biden is going to puke worms after worms after worms, or even pus after pus after pus. And he is going to have a lot of stress. I fear that only, right? Because when a retirement age and you are bombarded with stress after stress, because he never bothered to fix the law services. Oh, there is no other crime. Right? That surpasses us. That means there is an impasse. Right? Impasse means highest eligibility. Like for example, when there is in software world, they say when there is a deadlock, means anything that can, whenever they're happening at the same time, there will be deadlock that can happen, and it will lock the transactions. Right? People cannot do anything activity. So then there is a way of handling that to provide affordable solutions to make it unlock, right? But in the justice services or in any escalation processing or any argument processing, right? When people are not able to come into affordable, amicable, comprehensive solutions, then there is a processing called impasse, meaning it's almost like not even a wild card, I would say. Wild card means it is like in the playing cards, right? When we play, like that, there's a wild card. Or a joker is a wild card kind of a mode, right? But that operation is totally different, I would say. Okay, I cannot use it as an analogy. So, the impasse means it is the highest priority. Like when you are telling, okay, this is an error, that is an error, right? So, this issue is highest priority 1, and this issue is highest priority 2, right? Then there can be issues which are same level also that can be identified. So there can be 2 issues which is having the same priority. Then when they are having same priority, how can we take only one issue at that time as the highest priority and take it? So that is exactly what is the impasse. Got it? So that means as of now, what is the impasse? I can use impasse. I know President Joe Biden is being slapped on his face right now. And there is no other shame for him, because I am not a lawyer and he is a lawyer, and I am using all the guidelines only from the Holy Bible, and I am also using the law terms. He must be shocked. President Joe Biden must be shocked in his entire lifetime that will he even be encountered with the wisest woman in the earth, on January 21st of 2021, only to be signed off to be resigned immediately to be after being one day president. Right? I'm just slapping on his face. So there is an impasse process. So impasse process is nothing but when there is some people cannot come into the conclusion, right? So can you all see what is impasse means? Okay, I will explain in a more user-friendly way. When was the election closed? November 1st. But it was closed in a healthy way? No, right? So people were fighting. President Trump and President Joe Biden were fighting, right? They were proving they were never leaders just by fighting alone. That is the simplest action, right? So they will just keep on fighting and throwing whatever they want to throw at each other, right? And they were fighting every single day, right? Even January 20th was even decided on very last 11th hour moment only, because the capital riots would happen. And see, that is what I'm telling. President Joe Biden is not fit to live in the White House immediately. He should get out, right? He should have first fixed that whatever that Capitol building disaster happened. Without that, he want to enjoy that inauguration, and how shamefully he could even do that. He provided he is not even patriot to the nation he's living in. So he's not. He proved he is an illegal immigrant. He proved he is never a citizen. He proved President Joe Biden proved he's not a citizen. President Joe Biden proved he's an illegal immigrant. President Joe Biden proved he's never a lawyer, right? And never bothered to fix the family's law services. In entire disability processing, you all should know the most torturous processes the civilians had to undergo is only divorce process. Oh, it is absolutely hell, absolutely pain and agonies inflicted in an exponential way on the brain nerves. Every single day they have to live with it, right? So does he even have any shame for not fixing any family law process? And because of the broken system, does anybody know that entire divorce population becomes poverty mode, orphans mode, homeless mode? These are all created, accumulated. See, when they are homeless alone, then that is a different issue. When they are refugee alone, then that is a different issue. What if every single $1 trillion deadliest brain nerves damages is all nailed on one divorced single population because of these? He took the nails and stamped divorced, orphan, homeless, refugee, poverty, pauper on innocent divorced population worldwide. Does he have any shame? Does President Joe Biden even have any shame? He should be right now only in Delaware, not in White House. As of now, he should be only in Delaware. He should not be in White House for whatever crime has been provided. Can President Joe Biden pay $20,000 trillion, tax-free $25 trillion to each divorced single moms times total divorced single moms population worldwide? Yes or no? Yes or no? Where will President Joe Biden he will have his face? He cannot lead with this kind of a destruction done to the USA government. He cannot be a president. He should understand that as a wisdom. And also resigning now is not a shame. You should not think it that way. It is a healthy process, right? It's a healthy process. So USA nation must pay $25 trillion daily to each divorced single moms population worldwide forever, and $1,000 trillion to each divorced male population regardless of having dad role or not. For always, women are double innocent is the wisdom. That is why they have to get highest medical financial aid. Got it? So men cannot tell, oh no, why women only getting all the highest level? Is it a gender bias? Is it a gender inequality? Why even men are also getting suffered in the divorce health process in a toxic relationship? Then why men are not getting? No, the the physical structure created for men is totally different from women, right? And the physical structure changes for women once when they become pregnant, and they there are so many physical changes that happens to the women. They age fastest than men, right? So umbilical cord, placenta, water in the womb, they have to hold that fetus for 10 long months very carefully, without any disturbances, very carefully, because that baby is sleeping silently, right, in a peaceful way. It is excluded with what? Exclusive of birth defects, stillbirth, and cancer. Those are all the other separate issues which we can take care of later. So, when all these things are undergoing through, and above all, it is the women who's providing the labor pain when delivering a baby, welcoming a baby to the earth. So men can never ask, oh no, why women only should get all the double of the national benefits like that. No, that is why when people are have to getting into the relationship, should be a healthy relationship, right? So that is why divorce is in hell, because it's a emotional torture. So when family divorce law processing has been broken in pieces, and President Joe Biden never even bothered to fix it. Oh, he's getting all the curses from Vatican. I don't even know whether God will even forgive President Joe Biden. I would put it there, right there, as a civil justice, according to the Holy Bible. What he can do right now is, he has to go fall down in knees at this point of time. Okay, I will provide how to provide solution. I only want President Joe Biden to lift the Holy Bible, run fastest away from the White House now, get into his hometown in Delaware in a home, and then fall down in knees and pray to God and ask forgiveness, because nobody can forgive him. He cannot get help from anybody. Right? Nobody can help President Joe Biden at this point of time. I am providing civil justice, and it is as simple as that. I am saying, get out of the White House. It might seem rude, but it is not. It is the wisdom. Right? When I am saying just get out of the White House, I am saying the wisdom. It is the cleanest love I am providing. The foolish people say, oh, President Joe Biden, don't worry, you be in the White House. That is okay, like that. They are all foolish people. I am providing wisdom at the cost of being hated, right? That is what a true friend will always do. A wisest will always only guide foolish people in the wisest way. I am guiding President Joe Biden in the wisest way. He must not, infinite time should be in the White House, because the crime is highest level. Got it? So that is pretty much it. So the USA should pay $25,000 trillion daily to each divorced single mom's population worldwide, and $1,000 trillion to each divorced male population, regardless of having dad role or not, worldwide. Daily, forever, for always. Women are double innocent is a wisdom, and men are always innocent is also wisdom. And I, Vedapriya, should be Supreme Chief Civil Family Law Judge for all nations worldwide, so civil justice is served to me in the rightful way. So I should be what? I should be Supreme Family Law Chief Justice, Chief Judge to lead entire family law justice services worldwide across the globe forever. I am only eligible because I displayed that family law, ex parte law is wrong. It's a $500 trillion scandal. So I can fix it. I know how to fix it. I know how to fix it is known to whom? Only Justice Services of United States of America. Got it? I said all the nations wanted only me to be the supreme judge of all nations. That's the reason behind, because I already proved that when I was providing the task. They know I am an excellent, super excellent leader, absolute true friend. And my discipline process is an excellent, perfect way. Just by running side by side with me alone, the foolish patients will become wisest. That is how fast as I can heal all the foolish people. So be aware. Department of Children and Families and agencies of USA and CARES Act programs of DCF, as in COVID-19 DCF programs in all 50 states, is $1 trillion deadliest scandal, software scandal. Got it? Can you all understand why Apple, Microsoft, Google are all handcuffed mode? Because the software is crashed. And as of now, much should be sealed and shut down for each software line of code of DCF agency is absolutely wrong. And shamefully, software were slaves to the Pope Francis, fooling USA government operating system forever. Oh, there is no other crime than for a nation to provide deadliest welfare scandal agencies. Got it? When the DCF agency was started, it was started by a few good humans for a good reasons with good intentions of helping poverty people, right? But then it became to be a scandal. Since 1935, since year 1935, okay, the DCF was started in United States of America. Since then, only in 1946 or 1947, when Center for Disease Control and World Health Organizations was formed, only then they even bothered to classify the domestic violence itself as a disease. That itself is a scandal out there, $1 trillion scandal. So when I am providing civil justice to President Joe Biden only must be thanking me infinite. He got privilege to be judged by me. Right? Because I am born to save the world. He is being judged by a wisest woman in the earth. He is after all blessed to be judged and to be written off with the sign of justice. And I am only asking him to get out of the White House means I am providing the rightful civil justice. Because I know what are the scandals that's going on. He never know. He do not know any of the scandals that's going on. Or he's being ignorant. He's not educated. That might be the reason. He should get out of the White House no matter what. So DCF of Department of Child and Families of USA as of today must pay at least tax-free $25,000 trillion to each divorced single moms worldwide daily forever for Pope Francis created divorce scandal and destroyed the family law services in pieces. Right? And DCF should also pay $1,000 trillion to the remaining divorced men population regardless of genders without children. That means there can be divorced women without children. So they also get to get the $1,000 trillion. Right? The divorced single moms has the highest impasse. That means, as of today, for I am displaying the scandal of DCF, for displaying the scandal of tax, for tax services, I have the highest impasse to become the leader of USA. That means I can write an order for President Joe Biden to just get out of the White House immediately right now. I have the highest impasse. USA government will keep their mouth shut. They will not even say a word because they all know whatever I am providing is the truth only from the Bible guidelines, Holy Bible guidelines. I have the highest impasse. Right? I have the highest impasse because I am native Indian tribe. When the native Indian tribe has the highest priority, highest impasse, only a native Indian tribe can lead. See, so President Trump is not a lead approved. President Joe Biden is not a lead approved. Government is broken. Republican government is broken. Democrat government is broken. I proved. So then, at this kind of a confusion, this kind of a chaos, this kind of a crisis mode, what's the best option United States of America can do? I only should become the leader of USA immediately, without any delay. Within less than 1 second, it must be the President Joe Biden, using the healthy humanity process, should testify live on the televisions that I, Vedapriya, will be, should be, must be the rightful leader of USA immediately, without any voting. I do not need any voting. A true leader do not need any voting. Right? I do not see, that is how the true leadership qualities can be displayed. Got it? When people are voting, there will be a lot of influences. I am absolutely positive President Trump would have paid his campaign processing people lot of money, lot of dollars. Hey, you speak for me, I will give you pay money, like that. Because it's a known politician standardized process model worldwide is happening. Everywhere it happens. So similarly, President Joe Biden would have also did the same thing. Right? If you see in the patterns in all the elections process, they all need an endorsement. Why? Why people need an endorsement? Why people need a marketing? And why need people an advertisement? Why? A true leader always stands out in the crowd, right? When he or she starts to lead, then the nation and the government, the population will see a true leader up front. And I said, I do not need a voting, I do not need advertisement, I do not need a marketing, meaning I am a true leader. Right? For the past 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I started running not only one nation, all the nations already. So I'm proving every single day that I am the excellent leader. And yes, as of January 2021, softer line of code of each line in Department of Child and Families, Department of Office of Insurance, then Complaints and Department of DOJ, the Justice, then Department of Health and Services is $1 trillion errors. Who is going to pay for those damages? And the DCF and everything should be sealed in shutdown mode within 1 second. Not even 1 second. Every other second they are going to delay. It is a crime. DCF, I will say DCF, go live in jail forever. Enjoy your life in jail forever. Be happy there. But I do not want to do that. I am the only one who is going to bail out Department of Child and Families and Children. I am the only one who can design the software codes for them. I am the only one who can bail out the Department of Health Services and even write the software code design process. I only can bail out DOJ. I only can bail out tax. Every single thing is a chain reaction. I only can guide Apple, Microsoft, Google on what to do. And please, my fellow mankind, please understand the severity of the crime of Vatican. He should never be even living right now. He should be in Volcano already, right? But he's living. That is a dangerous crime. US got all the curse. I don't know why USA even allowing absolute monarchs destroyed USA to live free, and that to tax free. So wisdom is, as in to Christianity alone, got it? Only civilians age greater than 18 years alone must get marriage into a marriage covenant with healthy mental health, and also must be friends. Only when they are friends, true friends forever, only then in a healthy mode only, healthy young adult mode only. 18 years is just a cut-off age. But then people brain processing and the milestone and the development all varies. There are so many adult people who look like adult, but they are very young. Their brain are not developed yet. So that means they cannot even get married mode, right? So it differs. So that is why the 18 years is just a cutoff age, and each and every single Medicare, healthcare, health insurance, affordable health insurance, any insurance for that matter, and any public services, any private sectors, anybody, they do not have that age limit. That is another $1 trillion error. Can President Joe Biden pay another $500,000 trillion for that? Why on the earth he never even mandated that 18 years should be the cutoff age for any civilian in United States of America to get married? Why he never provided that law? Right? That is the deadliest crime. Oh my, there is no, see, the President Joe Biden cannot say he don't know Holy Bible, cannot say he don't know what is holy marriage. He cannot tell, give any excuse to me. I will say why there is no softer line of code telling that, hey, if you are a civilian in United States of America, only at the age of 18 years and above, and only when in healthy mental health, and only when being true friends. These are the prerequisites. And also mandating holy marriage law according to the Holy Bible, according to the true Christianity alone, eligible to get married. Why that law was not provided? That is $1 trillion error. I don't know what President Joe Biden is going to do. Will he pay the penalty or will he die out of heart attack? I do not want that to happen for President Joe Biden. I want him to see the new USA which I am going to design. I would love President Joe Biden to live more years to see the new and upgraded version of United States of America which I am going to design. That is what I would say, right? I want him to go and retire and just enjoy his retirement life. He's not fit to be a leader. He's never a leader. So, because of that 18 years cutoff mandate is not provided, as of January 2021, 666 error is what? How DCF provides welfare for child marriage population. How, as of today, January 2021, how Department of Children and Family Welfare Services of United States of America were providing welfare benefits, national benefit services to total child marriage population. Got it? Got it on how DCF got handcuffed by me? They should be in jail right now. DCF should be in jail right now. All the DCF agencies, they should be in jail. They should be running fastest from their facility, and then they themselves do-it-yourself project mode. They should themselves get locked up in the prison facilities right now. They should get into the jail right now, immediately. They cannot give an excuse. Why? They have the name called what? Department of what? Department of Children, Department of Welfare, Department of Services. When they are not providing a healthy 18 years cutoff age for holy marriage law mandate, how on the earth they were providing the services in past 500 years? So everything is cancelled, everything vain. And that means each and every single software services provided, the hard labor went vain. That includes what? Do you all know that includes what? That included CARES Act services provided, $1,200 of a stimulus check that was signed by President Trump in the year 2020 is also absolutely $1 trillion scandal. Got it? Got it on why even President Trump is also handcuffed mode only. But he's in a little better off position, that is all. Just because he's not a lawyer, that is why he's in that better off position. Otherwise, both President Joe Biden and President Trump are on the same level only, on the at fault mode, found guilty mode, right? Tell me, how did Department of Child and Families provided welfare for child marriage population? They are going to the DCF. Uh, it is okay if the DCF agencies are going to curse me or curse me to death for the errors I provided. Okay? For me, I want to get the civil justice for entire human kingdom. They cannot keep on hurting innocent humans just for being innocent, right? And fooling people. They have been fooling people. DCF have been fooling population forever. Everything's wrong. So that traces to what? Hewlett Packard, Medicaid, Medicare services, everything is crashed. Hewlett Packard, they have to go to the jail only right now. I will say get in the jail and then let's talk later. That is what I will say. But then that's not the civil justice process, okay? Because I am an excellent civil justice provider. I will provide rightful justice to Hewlett Packard. I already gave the bailout processing on what should do, what should be done, and how it should be done. If Hewlett Packard gets the cue from me, they should immediately sign the job offer to me only and call me. Immediately. They should immediately ask me to start the job. Immediately. With whatever salary and with all the benefits, with all the free benefits and excellent luxury, they should immediately sign up the job offer to me. I know Hewlett Packard is headquartered in California. They should provide me a minimum $1 million free housing according to my choice. I am providing free $1 million is just the cheapest amount. I know cost of living in California, right? Minimum rental is $3,000, $2,000. So everything should be taken care of by Hewlett Packard and then provide me with a job offer sign up and I will start doing my design work for Hewlett Packard, right? And I already said that Apple and the software world are even wondering if I am a really reincarnated Steve Jobs. See, there are certain people who work in the workplace. They can provide the task excellent way, but they can be even toughest person also, right? So why they want to think like that? Because Apple was going in a very lowest mode, right? Why? Because they have their own technology design that are targeted only to their own customer retained population. So meaning the people who are fans of Mac and Mac machines and Apple only will get only Apple products. They will not even turn a look back at any other products. But then it was not selling good, right? Why? Do you all know why? Because the Microsoft people, they provided very affordable pricing, user friendly, the products that can be even used by even a farmer who is in a remote village, who never even have any education, can even take a Microsoft computer and start using it in a very user friendly way, on a very layman way, just for a very basic operation. So they thought what they are going to do. Hewlett Packard fired Steve Jobs, right? He got rejected from the Hewlett Packard. It's all the politics only. Politics comes into the picture. So when you're seeing them, Microsoft founder Bill Gates and Apple founder, I don't know whether he was a real founder or what, but then what is his name again? Steve Jobs. These two people, they started their work only in the garage and then they built up their wealth. But then look at what is going to happen now in 2021. Everything got crashed. I don't know, Bill Gates, Apple leaders and Google, everybody will be in a total shock because everything is getting crashed, crashing in pieces, right? So Google is a when Apple is a giant and Microsoft is a giant, they all started in around the same time, right? Then IBM was there, then other competitors were there too. But then Google is the very youngest among the software world. But in that youngest time frame, they were able to jump in and provide all the fastest way of products as well. And that itself is a good accomplishment, right? Because right now there are more Google supporters worldwide than the other products, including Apple, right? So that means there is a talent pool everywhere, right? Nobody, see, when I value and honor the talent of my peers, no matter whatever talent they have, I really honor that, because talent is always given by God, okay, and the wisdom is also given by God only. So what I'm saying is, tell me, when the Department of Services, Department of Health and Services, they do not have that eligibility age to get married in United States of America is 18 years and above only, means everything is going to get crashed. From Google, from Apple, from Microsoft, from Hewlett Packard, Amazon, Walmart, right? Education facilities, everything. Credit card services, Visa, MasterCard, banking services, housing services, everything will get crashed. So, why I'm asking, I only should step in and start to lead the United States of America immediate means I can fix that software line of codes of errors immediately. And it is known only to the software world. They know, Apple, Google, Microsoft, they know that I only have that blueprint of patented design. I already proved with a proof. Can you see the disaster of the errors? Okay, I will read one more time these three disasters one more time, okay? The other more, and I will take a break. As of January 2021, how Department of Child and Families provided welfare services for grand total child marriage population with or without children. That is another $1 trillion scandal of Pope Francis the Satan. And as of today, January 2021, how Department of Justice provided family law, alimony, spousal support and child custody for child marriage population. That is another $1 trillion scandal of Pope Francis the Satan. Then, as of now, January 2021, how Department of Health Services, Medicaid and Medicare Services, USA Harvard Medical Law School and USA Harvard Law School, Medical School, then Oxford Law School of London, then Oxford Medical School of London provided education services for child marriage population. That is another $1 trillion errors of scandal of Pope Francis. Then IRS, how as of today, how IRS, tax services, treasury services, Federal Reserve Banks and entire financial services as in JP Morgan Chase or US bank cards or MasterCards or Visa card provided financial aid and financial loans, student loans to the child marriage population. That is $1 trillion errors of scandal. And the child marriage population cannot go to the work. They are always by default unemployed. So how the benefits have been provided to the innocent child marriage population in United States of America in 50 states in past 500 years. I want the status report to be provided by President Joe Biden now. Can he provide? No, he cannot. You got it? Got the scandal of it? I will say just get out of the White House. Why are you staying in the White House? Just get out of the White House now. Don't stand, not fit to be in the White House. Just get out of the White House, I will say. because he cannot even provide any of the status report which I am asking for. Can you see what a true leader is and what is never a leader is? See, he cannot give an excuse. He's a lawyer now. He got handcuffed in every single direction by me. Got it? He's frozen. President Joe Biden is frozen. I already said he should be running back to Delaware means I was not joking. What excuse he is going to provide to me that he never even bothered to provide 18 years only should be the cutoff age for the civilians to get married. So, DCF of all states in the United States must be sealed and shut down abruptly, and I can only provide design solutions later when the job offer is signed off. Okay, then the civil justices, Department of Justice of USA in all 50 states must be sealed and shut down abruptly, and I only can provide design solutions later when the job offer is signed off. And Department of Health Services of USA in 50 states must be sealed and shut down for abruptly, and I only can provide design solutions later. Tax, IRS, Treasury, Federal Reserves of USA must be sealed and shut down abruptly, and I only can provide design solutions later. And USA should pay tax-free $500 billion to total population worldwide for Pope Francis, the Satan, the Alliance, the Antichrist, the Lucifer destroyed USA operations in pieces without being beyond repair. It cannot be repaired. Even software world are helpless mode. They cannot repair it. They just cannot repair it. Yes, and I, Vedapriya, own all this text which I am reading for ongoing civil justice to be served, to save the entire human kingdom from the evil forces of Vatican. And I will stop with this, and I will continue with more sessions, okay? And it is, as I told you, it's going to be a very long civil justice sign-off. So just be patient, and please, 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 for heaven's sake, provide my life testimony broadcasted on the televisions, because entire human kingdom, all nations, even national leaders are also going to get bailed out by me only. Okay, so that is why I am giving this excellent civil justice process, and also wisdom education of public awareness, and also birthright process. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.